welcome to my channel. Today we'll understand the jump statement in Java. Jump statement usually help us whenever we are going to jump from one section of the program to another section of the same program. So let's start it practically. So for that we have to start JCreator, that is Java IDE. Open that, and as usual you have to click new file and put the file name, that is jump class, and select the browse button to place the program in appropriate place and click on finish. So I'll put here the comment to show the purpose of program, a Java jump program. Now class has keyword and the class name jump class and curly braces open and close. I can put here it is public because my file name has same name as a class. Here is main section, so public static void main string args, and then curly braces start. Now I will declare here a particular loop in switch condition in which we will use the break statement. So here int x value 90, here switch, and inside here I will place the x case 10 break case 20 break case 30 break, and we can do it better if we are going to just make it 20, and then after that default. And break. Here the statement, that is default statement, a message default statement. So I will copy this particular line and place inside here. Simple case 10. Okay, so same way I will copy the same code and I place in another case, that is inside the case 20. So here will be case 20 and here will be case 30. So now our code is ready for compilation. So now we have to click on compile and wait for its output process done, that is process complete, and now run it. Now you can see here x value is 20 and it should be print only the message of case 20 only. So run it. Now you can see that case 20. So suppose that if there is no break here, or I will make it comment, what will happen? It will print this one case 30 also. So compile it again and then run it. Now you can see that case 20, because as per according to the value of x is 20, it will true, and then it would automatically print the case 30 also, because it do not found the keyword here break. So meaning of break here, whenever the particular block in count, case 20 block in count, it will catch that particular break statement, and break statement transfer the control out of the switch block. So it is the example of break statement. Now we will make whole switch as a comment, and now we are going to do the continue example. So I will make here a for loop example. So here is I equals to 0, then I less than equals to 10, and I plus plus. So here I will print system.out.println. So simple, and then double quote I will write value of I is I equal to concatenation operator, then I. So in this case, whenever I'll compile this particular code, it will simply print, oh sorry, here should be X, but I will here declare I. So here compile it, and now we have to run it. Now you can see that value of I from 0 to 9 as per according condition. If I'll click equal to operator also, so it will start from 0 to 10. So here 0 to 10. So suppose that if I am going to just terminate this particular by continue keyword, what will happen? So in this case you can see I place here continue and compile it. So here continue will not place without condition, so I will place here inside the condition, that is if. So I will cut it from here and paste it here. So suppose that if I'll greater than I is greater than 6, then it will skip the process. So now you can see the output process will take time, and now you'll see run it. Now you can see from 0 to 6 it has printed. If the value is more than 6, I is more than 6, then it will skip the iteration and it will terminate the particular control again to the for loop again, and so on. So for example, if I'll just make it if double equals to 6, so what will happen? It will skip only the 6th iteration, I want to say I plus 6th iteration, and it will print to whole value. So now you can see compile it. In this condition what will happen? It will skip only message of 6. Here you can see 0 1 2 3 4 5, and here is 6 is missing, so 7 8 9 and 10. So by this way we can use the continue keyword to skip something, I am to say statement inside the block of the loop or any process. So have a nice day for the day.